I have been dyeing my hair for about 2 years at home, and my absolute favorite products for dyeing your hair at home is the Blonde Me. I'm gonna link everything down in the bio, but the Blonde Me premium lightning, you can buy it off Amazon, and this is Swarovski. I got this off Amazon, but if you're an esthetician or you're licensed, you can obviously get this off Cosmoprof. And then for my what I mix my my coloring stuff is, I mix it with the 3% 10 volume, because my hair is a level, I think naturally, I think it's like a 7-8. That's what my hairdresser said when I used to get my hair done by her, but I'm kind of on a budget. And so I do it at home. And then for my toner, I use the 2% 7 volume, also Blonde Me by Swarovski. And then I also have this Lumi Shine. I've never used this one before. I used to use Swarovski, but they didn't have the toner that I really liked, so I'm gonna try this one. I've been just like playing around with different toners, but I haven't found like the one that I really like yet. But we're gonna try this one today, and then we're gonna see how that works. So yeah, my mom's gonna do my hair. I used to do my hair at home by myself, but my mom's gonna do my hair today, and then I'm gonna show you, like, guide you guys through how you can do this at home with the help of like your friend or your dad. You can literally like teach anybody how to do this. I told my mom how to do my hair, and it's literally the best thing in the world. So yeah. Okay, and as far as how much to use, I will I always do a little bit less and then add more. So I'll use a whole cupful, and then I'm gonna make it into a paste of like yogurt, so it's not too watery and it's not too thick, because the thicker the consistency, the more it's gonna like yeah, the faster it's gonna dye your hair, which it needs to be kind of like in the middle. I just kind of eye it because I've been doing this for so long that I don't really like measure it out, but I probably should. I bought this like little set off Amazon, and it comes with like this little mixing thing, and this one my mom uses this, and then these little like clipsies. I'm gonna link it down below if I can find it. If not, I'm just gonna find something similar that you can do at home. And I have been dyeing my hair at home, and I got all of the supplies for less than $200, and I'm not even halfway, well, I'm a little more than halfway through the bottle. I'm like down here. I probably have like maybe like 5 more uses out of this, and yeah, I've saved probably thousands of dollars at home, and it's great. I love it. I do my hair all the time. I don't really see a point in getting my hair done anymore because I have the opportunity, and I'm able to, so why not save money when you can, right? We are high maintenance girlies on a budget. But let me show you how the consistency is supposed to look. See, like, this is too thick, way too thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more and mix it up. So this is my hair before, hold on. This is how much we are working with. It's a little bit oily. It's a bit oily, but my scalp is very sensitive. So I prefer it when my hair is oily, so it doesn't burn my hair that much. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very orangey. I haven't toned my hair in a while, so I'm really excited for the toner. It's gonna cool down my hair, and yeah. Alrighty, this is what my consistency is looking like a Go-Gurt kind of consistency. It's like not too runny and not too hard, but this is my favorite brush. I bought an extra one from Sally's Beauty, and yeah, like this. So my mom sectioned my hair in half, just like this, and we're starting from this side, and then we're gonna move to this side, and then she's taking little tiny layers, like one at a time, and she's applying a thick layer, as you can see right here, of this, and then we're gonna move to this side, and then on the top. So we always start from the bottom, and then we go on to the top. Also, when you're mixing your color, you're always gonna do 1 cup of this and then 2 of that. I know I completely forgot to mention that, but yeah, I just do it like the way that I did earlier, just like trying to see how it looks like, so it's not too thick and it's not too thin. But yeah, this is what my consistency look like. So yeah, and then I usually keep my hair in for, I would say, like 40 minutes typically, usually. I just made some more for my mama. I just need to mix it up, but yeah, we just ran out, so adding more, and then we're like almost done with my hair. Alright, so this is how my hair looks like right after. It's very, very blonde, and now we're just gonna tone my hair, and then we're gonna be all done. Alright, so we're using this toner. This one, 1-to-1 ratio. So I did 1 bottle of this, and then I did 1 bottle of this developer. And then we're gonna see how it turns out. I accidentally used the 7% on my hair, and it turned my hair, I mean, it's 2% on my hair and 7 volume on my hair. I don't know why it's not trying to focus. Да. And I accidentally mixed it with this, so it turned my hair bright orange. I don't know if you can see, but I have some pieces here that are very, very orange. So when you're dyeing your hair at home and your hair turns like really, really orange, then that's probably why. That's why your hair, it could be because of that. So what you're gonna want to do if your hair is like very orange and you have like pieces that are very, very orange, basically means you either didn't hold it long enough, but I already had my hair in for 45 minutes, and that's kind of like the max that you can hold it. And the back of my hair looks absolutely perfect, just the front. My hair probably all looks orange, but I can see like really big pieces here that are very, very orange. Just basically means I didn't use enough, like the developer that I used just wasn't strong enough, which was 2%, and the one that I usually use is 3%, and I leave it on for 45 minutes when you are bleaching your hair. Now my mom's gonna apply the toner all over my hair to make it nice and even, and I'm gonna come back in a week and redo my entire hair. But if you're wondering, I did dye my eyebrows just for funsies. My mom was making fun of me and laughing at me. That mom, she thought this was really, really funny. Hi guys, okay, so the update about my orange hair, what I did, because I had an event going on, I had to get rid of the brassiness, and I'm so sorry I didn't film, but I went ahead and mixed my 2 products, the 10 volume and my powder 1-to-2 ratio of the water mixture. I'm gonna link all the products down below, and I'm gonna put text of what I was using because I can't remember it off the top of my head. And so I left it in my hair for 20 minutes, and it turned my hair like this beautiful, beautiful color that I'm obsessed with. And I'm not gonna do toner on my hair. Also, the toner that I did, it turned my hair like light brown. Let me show you real quick. I'm just personally not a fan of how it turned my hair. So the darker color is down here, and I'm gonna use a color remover to remove it at home. I don't know if you can really tell because the lighting is so bad here. I'm at a girls' retreat, and yeah, I was just in such a rush. I had an hour of sleep, and because I had to like fix my hair. But yeah, this is how my hair turned out. Super beautiful. But But yeah, this will be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed how I do my hair at home, and I hope you learned something new. And I know this was kind of a mess up because I'm still trying to figure out what toner I use. I remember I used the Swarovski toner, but they don't carry the one that I got before, and they didn't have it at Cosmoprof, and so I just kind of had to use whatever, and I believe I just left it in for too long, but hopefully next time it will work better. But as far as now, I really like the way my hair turned out. I love everything, and so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.